How to install Microsoft Authenticator on Android. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and open up Google Play Store. At the bottom here, tap on the search button. Then go to the top text box, and in here we type in Authenticator. Then we go down and look for Microsoft Authenticator and tap on it. Next, tap on Install. Once it has finished installing, we can tap on the Open button. Here you need to sign in, so tap on Allow and Accept. Then tap on Continued. Here you can sign into Microsoft with your personal account. You can use your work or school account, and you can also scan a QR code. So here, sign in. Okay, so you want to enter in your email address or your Microsoft account detail. Once you have signed in, tap on Got It, and then tap on Done, and then tap on OK. And that's it. We have now successfully added the Microsoft account. We have successfully signed in. To add a new account, just tap on the Add button, and then you can add in an account, or you can use QR code, and that's it. So here we can use QR code, or we can just tap on the Add button to add in other account. And here you can again use the camera for QR code scanning, or we can manually enter the code. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.